how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser. And then once we are now on our browser, on the search bar, just search for Vencord. And then after that, just click enter. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just click vencord.dev. So just click that one right there. And then after that, in this part, just click download Vencord. After that, just click download Vencord installer.exe right here, which is this one. And then once it is done, what we're going to do is to go on this part and then just click open file. After that, of course, once we are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just click install right here. Once you see this, the next thing that we need to do right here is to open our Discord. So on the search bar, just search for Discord right here and then click open. Once you open your Discord, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go on our settings. So just click on the user settings right here. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see this plugins. So just click that plugin right there. And then in this part, search for voice message. And then turn this on. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to go back into our server. So just choose which server that you would like to use. And then if you click the plus button right there, you will now be able to send voice messages right here. So let's use that. And then if you want to upload a file, it's up to you. Or if you want to start recording. So if you start record right there, as you can see, we are currently recording. And then once you're now done, just press stop recording and then click send. After that, the voice message will now be sent into your server. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to send voice messages on Discord PC.